be making a photo that I like to call control blur or selective blur. So when you take pictures, sometimes when you take pictures of things that are close up and the camera can't focus on everything in the background, it creates what they call a short depth of field. But sometimes it's a desired look, and sometimes it's not. It depends on what you're going for. Um, and you can recreate this look using Pixlr or Photoshop very easily. It won't look quite the same, but sometimes photographers will edit the blur effect just so they could get a little bit more control as to what is going to be in in focus of what's not going to be in focus. So we're going to go ahead and get this project started. So I pre-selected a photo to use. It could be any photo, but you're going to be using a photo where one part of it is going to be in focus and the other part, or most of it, is going to be out of focus. So I'm going to use this, and then I'm going to use it with Pixlr. So I'm going to right click, by 2 fingers, press down on my Chromebook, or in this case a MacBook, and copy the image address. And I'm going to go to Pixlr. Alright, I'm going to go to Pixlr E, and then I'm going to load the URL by doing the same thing. 2 finger press down, paste, and click load. There we go. Now, this is similar to the previous project where we do selective color. We had to make a duplicate, and then we're going to change the top layer into the blur layer, and then the bottom layer is going to be the original photo. So let's go right here, do another 2 finger press down, and we're going to go to these 2 frames and click on duplicate layer. So I have 2 copies of the same photo. So with this top photo highlighted, I'm going to go up to here to filter and go to details. And from here, I have a couple different options. I'm just going to stick with just a good old-fashioned blur. There's a couple other blur options, but this is probably the best one. I'm going to move my scale over to like 100 to make it super blurry, and click apply. And then I'm going to take my eraser tool and make some adjustments. I'm going to increase it up. And I'm probably going to make this apple right here in focus. So as I start erasing, you'll see that it's going to be pretty clear, like that. I have the brush on like the soft brush, so that it's a little bit less noticeable. So there you go. Just like that. Just like that. Okay. And then, of course, you're going to save that photo by going to File and Save and download it to your drive. Pretty easy. So there you go. If you've got questions, you can email me at erica.rosser@Desert Sands. I have yet to check the 123 Photo Skills account, so try not to email me there. And thank you for watching, and just make some really good work.